benefits of banana. Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will explain about 25 amazing benefits of consuming bananas. Nutrient-rich, bananas are packed with essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, dietary fiber, and magnesium. Energy boost. The natural sugars in bananas, such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose, provide an instant energy boost, making them a great pre-workout or midday snack. Supports digestive health. The high fiber content in bananas promotes regular bowel movements, aids in digestion, and helps prevent constipation. Heart health. Bananas are a good source of potassium, which helps maintain healthy heart function and blood pressure levels. Muscle function. Potassium in bananas plays a crucial role in muscle contraction, making them beneficial for athletes and those involved in physical activities. Mood enhancer. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps boost serotonin levels in the brain, promoting a sense of well-being and reducing symptoms of depression. Regulates blood sugar. The fiber and low glycemic index of bananas help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a suitable fruit choice for individuals with diabetes. Supports weight management. Bananas are relatively low in calories, fat-free, and rich in fiber, making them a satisfying and healthy snack for weight management. Promotes healthy kidneys. The potassium content in bananas helps maintain proper kidney function and reduces the risk of kidney stones. Strengthens bones. Bananas contain nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and manganese, which contribute to bone health and density. Eye health. Bananas contain vitamin A and other compounds that support eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration. Boost immunity. The vitamin C content in bananas helps strengthen the immune system, protecting the body against infections and common illnesses. Natural antacid. Bananas have natural antacid properties that can help soothe acid reflux and heartburn symptoms. Healthy skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in bananas promote healthy skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and improving overall complexion. Reduces inflammation. Bananas contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of arthritis. Manages anemia. The iron content in bananas stimulates the production of hemoglobin, making them beneficial for individuals with anemia. Relieves menstrual cramps. The high levels of potassium in bananas can help alleviate menstrual cramps and reduce discomfort during menstruation. Supports brain health. The nutrients in bananas, such as vitamin B6 and antioxidants, support brain health, memory, and cognitive function. Improves sleep quality. Bananas contain magnesium and the amino acid tryptophan, which can help promote better sleep and relaxation. Natural mood lifter. Bananas contain dopamine and serotonin, known as feel-good neurotransmitters that can help improve mood and reduce anxiety. Fights free radicals. The antioxidants in bananas help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and the risk of chronic diseases. Reduces blood pressure. The potassium to sodium ratio in bananas helps regulate blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular health. Promotes hair health. The nutrients in bananas, such as vitamin B6 and biotin, nourish the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth and reducing hair loss. Alleviates morning sickness. The natural sugars and soothing properties of bananas can help alleviate nausea and morning sickness during pregnancy. Natural antidepressant. Bananas contain vitamin B6, which helps the body produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and can have a positive impact on depression. If the video is good, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.